What's up, guys? I came across this video. Well, I make all these videos. These are my videos. These aren't, you can't find these anywhere because I create them. But it was like a 5-minute video for the sticker. And I'm like, man, we're just going to look at the PDF. We're not going to go watch the video because essentially Tesla misprinted the video. And hey, there's my phone. Check it out, everyone. Just a second to pull back this PDF. And the importance of this is it can cause you to not pass an inspection. Like, I'm in North Carolina, and we have to have an emission inspection. If this sticker is not right, it can cause that to hold up the inspection. Let's see. On certain Cybertruck vehicles, the Vehicle Emission Control Information label was printed with text that is illegible. I mean, there's really not like a whole lot to say about that other than it's important that you know, because this is a service bulletin, which means it's not a recall, which means they're not going to contact you. So to prevent kind of, a holdup at the inspection station, this is good to know. This is for Cybertruck 2025, and I believe it's a free procedure. You just kind of call them out. And they will come and replace your sticker. It shows a picture right here. Open the power gate and then locate the vehicle emission control information. We'll zoom in. It's right there. I'm watching my 3-year-old today, if you hear him back there. Apply masking tape on the edges of the label to aid in installing the new label. Correct position. Blah blah blah. Yeah, I thought I'd read somewhere this was a $0 fix. You can call them out. It says it can be performed where there is mobile service. I'm shocked. Anyways, guys, that is it. I was really want to see that $0 we do it for free thing. So I can't see it, but you can go back and pause through and read it. But just a quick one for you today. Make sure you get your sticker. Go ahead and look at your sticker on your Tesla Cybertruck and let me know, is it misprinted? Is it a rare? You can sell your sticker on eBay because Tesla misprinted it sticker. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.